Wi-Fi hotspot in Android smartphone. So if you want to know the Wi-Fi hotspot name and password in your Android smartphone, then first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you just need simply scroll down and you may find the hotspot option, but you can simply go with the navigation, which is on the upper side, and here you will have the hotspot. Tap and hold on to that hotspot and it will take you to the hotspot settings, your Wi-Fi hotspot settings. Now here you can go with the first option, which is hotspot name, and here you will have your hotspot name. And if you want to go with the security, you can change the security and go with the hotspot password. Tap on it and here you will have your hotspot password. And you can also set one-time mobile data usage limit. You can simply choose 50 MB. And once you choose 50 MB, then the other person will not use more than 50 MB at one time. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.